This home has stood for over 150 years, witnessing generations of change, resilience, and transformation. It has survived fire, reinvention, and the passage of time, and now it stands at a crossroads, waiting for its next caretaker. The question is, could that be you? Hey everyone, I'm Chris Hubble with History Loves Company, and today we're stepping inside one of Michigan's most unique historic properties, the Hugh C House. This Victorian masterpiece has 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and over 8,565 square feet of space. But while its bones are strong, it needs a visionary to bring it back to life. If you've ever dreamed of owning and restoring a historic home, or even converting a piece of Michigan history into a bed and breakfast, an event venue, or a creative workspace, this is your opportunity. From the ornate millwork to the expansive rooms, this home was built for elegance and longevity. You can still feel its grandeur despite the restoration work needed. The first floor boasts 12-foot ceilings, while the second floor offers 10-foot ceilings, creating an open, airy atmosphere rarely found in modern homes. This home is a true blank slate, but that's what makes it so special. The electrical, plumbing, and HVAC systems still need to be installed, giving you the opportunity to restore it exactly as you envisioned it. This home was built in 1872 by Hugh C. a successful businessman and a key figure in Romeo's early development. He was involved in lumber, flour milling, and even Great Lakes shipping. His influence extended far beyond Romeo, even commissioning a custom carriage for Ulysses S. Grant. In 1884, disaster struck. A massive fire destroyed much of the home, leaving only the exterior walls standing. The loss was so devastating that just 4 months later, Hugh C. passed away at just 42 years old. But the home wasn't lost forever. In 1885, it was rebuilt in the Queen Anne style by John Scott, the same architect behind Detroit's original City Hall. So, let's talk about what's here and what's possible. This home offers 5 oversized bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 8,565 square feet of living space, 1.5 acres of historic grounds, a 3-story carriage house, an oversized 3.5-car garage, and best of all, it's structurally sound, meaning you have the foundation to create something truly special. Owning this home means owning a piece of Romeo's history, one of Michigan's most charming and preserved historic districts. Romeo is known for the Romeo Historical Society, with 3 museums dedicated to preserving the town's heritage, the annual Romeo Peach Festival, one of the oldest festivals in Michigan. The Historic Walking Tour, where you can explore nearly 100 historic buildings. The Village Theater, a century-old venue still hosting live performances today. This town is a living time capsule, where every building tells a story. This isn't just another house. It's a legacy project, a chance to preserve the past while creating something incredible for the future. This home is currently listed for $999,900 and comes with short-term land contract financing options as well. If you're someone who loves historic homes and has the passion to restore them, I'd love to personally show you this property. And if you're ready to take the next step, my good friend David Wexler at Union Home Mortgage can help make financing this kind of restoration project a reality. If you love historic homes as much as I do, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible home tours. And remember, every home has a story. Let's discover yours.